Miro's integrated project management formats, tables, timeline, and Kanban, help teams manage workflow and maintain efficiency. They work together as one unified system. Every item exists as a record that appears consistently across all three views. We can switch seamlessly between table view for detailed data management, timeline view for scheduling and dependencies, and Kanban for visual workflow management. Let's add a table to our team board to bring structure to our home base. Watch as we drag and drop our sticky notes from brainstorming directly into the table. We can set priority levels, add start and end dates, and assign owners to each task, giving us the full picture. Then, with a single click, we can switch to timeline view to see how our work sequences over time. Timeline view uses the same data, but displays it as a visual schedule, where we can spot overlapping deadlines and see dependencies. We can drag bars to reschedule task deadlines and resize them to modify durations. One more click takes us to Kanban view, with cards showing what we're working on at a glance. We can spot bottlenecks and redistribute work to keep things moving. In any view, open a record side panel to add information or edit any field. Miro also integrates with task trackers like Jira and Azure DevOps, so we can sync existing data directly into any view. Check out Miro's Help Center documentation to learn more about integrations. Now we'll add synced copies throughout our project space. Updates show wherever they are placed, regardless of format view, allowing continuous alignment and progress tracking. With table, timeline, and Kanban working as integrated formats, we can track work, avoid pileups, and maintain project momentum.